So part 22. Determine the area inside a circle defined by this equation, but outside the triangle bounded by the three lines below. The area inside the circle, but outside the triangle. So we need to work out the area of the triangle defined by these lines, then work out the area of the circle, and just the area of the circle minus the area of the triangle. So first I'm going to put this equation in the form where we can find r squared, so we can find the area of the circle. So we have x minus 4 squared minus 16 plus y plus 2 squared minus 4 plus 4 equals 0. So we have x minus 4 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 4 squared. So we know that r equals 4. So we know that the area of the circle is pi r squared, which equals 16 pi. So now to work out the area of the triangle, we know that we're going to have to find the points where all of these lines intersect. So simply just trying to draw it a little bit with x minus 7. So I'm going to draw like that. A fifth, 29 over 5. What is that? That's around 6, I think. Yeah. So that's going to be minus here plus 2/5. So it's going to look like that. And then x equals 7. So it keeps going along here. And then when x equals 7, we know it's there. Okay, so that tiny little triangle there is the one I'm trying to find, which is a bit annoying that I drew it like that, but whatever. So x minus 7, a fifth, 2x minus 29, and x equals 7. So we know that the intersection, I'm going to call this point A, this point B, this point C. So you know that point A is the intersection between x equals 7 and x minus 7. So we have x equals 7, and then y simply just equals 0, because putting 7 into that. So then part B, with the intersection between these two, a fifth of 2x minus 9 equals x equals 7. So we have a fifth of 14 minus 29. So 14 minus 29 equals minus 15, divided by 5. This equals minus 3, so that's y. So we have 7 minus 3. And then part C is the intersection of these two lines. So we have a fifth of 2x minus 29 equals x minus 7. So we have 2x minus 29 equals 5x minus 35. So then we have 3x equals 35 minus 29, which is 6. So we get x equals 2. And y equals x minus 7, which is minus 5. So this is just 2 minus 5. So now, to find the area of the triangle, I'm going to draw it out a bit. So this is A, B, C. So this is 2 minus 5, B is 7 minus 3, and A is 7, 0. So actually, we can actually figure out the base here, because we can do this. This side here is 3, and then the horizontal side here is just between 2 and 7, which is 5. So now we have the base and height, so we can just do half base times height equals 15 over 2. So then we know that the area is just 16 pi minus 15 over 2.